Welcome to CodeSpeedy channel. I have already created a Tkinter program. You can see it. If I click on this run button, you can see that a window is always appearing at the top left corner. If I drag it here and close it, then again run it, you can see that the window is always appearing at the top left corner of our display. So in this video I will show you how you can change this position. Like if you want to start this Tkinter window at a specific position, I will let you know how you can do this, and believe me, this is pretty much simple. So you have to use the geometry method, just like this, new window dot geometry, and once you do this, you have to set the size of your window like this. Suppose I am going to set the size 600 by 400. You have to mention X. Do not write star like other programming languages. You have to write X, and this will change the size of your window. So just close it. Now the main thing is that you have to mention the X coordinate and Y coordinate of the specific position where you want to start your new window. So it's 0 0. Right now it's by default it's 0 0. So this is the 0 coordinate for X and 0 for Y also. So let us first discuss how this coordinates works. So this is the value of X and this is the value of Y. So if my display resolution is something like width is about 2000, then if I put X value 1000, that it will goes around something like this here at the top position, and the Y value changes in this way. So if it's 1000, then 500 will be like this. So let's take an example first. It can make you better understand. First I will put the value of X. For example, I am taking 1000, and the value of Y will be for example 1700. Okay, now just let's run it. If I run it, you can see that the window is not appearing at the top left corner right now. So it's appearing at my specific position. You can change it like this. You can put it 800, and here I will put 600. Now if you click on the run button, the position has been changed. So if you know your display resolution or the display pixel, then you can easily get at any specific position you want. And one more thing is that you might be wondering that what will happen if you put the negative value here. Don't worry, it will work in the same way. Like if this position is your 0, then if you put minus value, it will goes here the display ends, so it will goes like this, minus 100, minus 200, minus 300 in this way. For example, this will go in the opposite direction. For Y, the same will happen in this way. The Y value will be going. So that's all for today. I'll share the next trick of Tkinter in the next video. Stay tuned. And if you are coming from any search engine like Google or YouTube search to this video, then I'll recommend you just go to our YouTube channel, and here in the playlist I have already created a Tkinter playlist. So whatever video I will be uploading in Tkinter, that will be going around this, so that you can build good GUI application through my tutorial videos. That's all for today. Have a great day.